What if you ate one whole cucumber every day for 30 days? Within 30 minutes, your body absorbs the hydration from cucumber's 96% water content, delivering essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. One medium cucumber provides 152 milligrams of potassium and only 45 calories. From day one, you're getting 1.5 grams of fiber and vitamin K, 40% of daily needs for men, 55% for women. Research shows this supports bone health and blood clotting function immediately. By day 12, studies suggest blood pressure may begin dropping. Research on elderly participants with hypertension showed reduced blood pressure after just 12 days of daily cucumber consumption, as potassium helps flush excess sodium. Week 3 brings digestive improvements. The pectin fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria and speeds intestinal movement. Studies show pectin increases bowel regularity while supporting healthy digestion. After 30 days, research indicates significant antioxidant benefits. A study measuring 30 older adults found cucumber powder caused notable increases in antioxidant activity markers, helping protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Please note,